what's up? This is Deja.
Yo.
So you get up one day and you realize that you are fat.
That would never happen.
What's up with these fat women? You are fat.
You know, I am pretty.
Come on, let's be realistic.
I love who I am.
You have these fat women that are always in denial.
I feel so...
You are disgusting.
But you know what?
Because you look nasty.
The words don't bother me. I'm a very self-confident person. I love me.
How much do you weigh? It's not personal, you stink. You're fat, nasty, and stink.
And I love myself for being who I am, and...
If you had any kind of pride in yourself and self-respect, you would lose some weight. If you're nasty.
Oh my God. I'm fat.
You're not fat. You are obese. You are disgusting.
You all look like pig shit. Stop eating. Stop eating.
The three-letter word.
Stop eating. Stop eating. Stop eating. Stop eating. Stop eating.
Don't worry, be happy.
Stop eating.
Ooh, 姐，你呢？鸡，不，哎，Oh yeah。